Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through Camel case, which is a problem on the string section of problem solving on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. So here is the problem statement. You are given as input a string consists of lowercase and uppercase letter in the form of camel case. And what you are supposed to do is to count the number of words in the given string. Here's an example. You have a string 1, 2, 3, and as output you should return 3 since this input consists of 3 strings. And what is the format of a camel case? The format of a camel case is capital letter for any beginning of a word. So basically, to know how many words you have in this string, you need to count the number of capital letters. And since in the camel case the first letter is lowercase, that means if you have 2 capital letters, that means you have in total 3 words. If you have 10 capital letters, you have in total n plus 1 word. So how are we going to approach this? To solve this, what we are going to do is that we're going to create a variable result that we are going to initiate to 1, since we know that the length of the word is greater or equal to 1. That means we have at least 1 word in our given string. So we are going to initiate it to 1, and then we are going to loop through the string. Whenever we are going to see a capital letter, we are going to increase our result, and at the end we are going to return the result variable. So let us, without wasting time, let us implement what we just described as approach. Here's it. What we have as input is the given string. So we have a string, and we read the input of the string. Now there's something interesting I want you to know regarding string. We can perform comparison on string based off their int value, right? And if you take a look on the ASCII table, you will see that the capital letter are always less than the lowercase letter. For me to show you that, let me output something important here for you to show you this. Here, this will output the int value of p to see from where and where this value are going. This will bring the int value of b. But I want z instead. So by doing this, I will have the int value of a and z and this, just to show you how the computer is actually seeing those elements. You will see that it's moved from 97 to 122. That is for lowercase letter, and the capital letters move from, this is supposed to be z, but I won't compare anymore. It moved from 65 to somewhere up less than 97. Let me run again for you. To 65 to 90. So basically, to check if a given letter is a capital letter, we can just compare it with lowercase a. If it is less than lowercase a, that means it's something not lowercase, it is capital letter. So we are just going to implement our for loop here. Have a result to 1, like we said, and we are going to implement our for loop. We're gonna say if you're less than capital A, we increment this one, and as output here we just need to have this. So you see everything is green. Let us submit and see what it gives. Cool, we have everything green. So this was a really easy problem. The main thing here was to be able to compare later, and when you take a look at the ASCII table, you are able to understand that you can compare later, like comparing digit and all the other numbers naturally. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Feel free to share, comment, give me your output on this, and stay tuned for the next video. Ciao.